So you place your Starline into service mode. So obviously the iPhone 15s have a bug at the minute where they're not connecting up, so we can't use the app. So to do it through the buttons, what you'll do is turn the ignition on, pop your code in. For now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We disarm the system to prove it's us. We've got our tone. Now we'll press any button on the network 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Turn the ignition off, pause for a second and back on. We've received our 2 bleeps. Now the system is in service mode, similar to just pressing and holding on the app, but obviously that's not an option for some people. Now it's in service mode, it's not going to expire. As you're going to see, it's going to go into gear. We're going to be able to drive it without the need of a code. So obviously when Range Rover get it to service it, or whether they collect the car from you, it's not going to be a problem. It's not going to time out. The way to turn the system back on and make your vehicle secure, what you'll do, turn the ignition on and just simply enter your code 1, 2, 3, 4 like we have on this vehicle. 2 bleeps, and now the system's active. So we'll give it 10 seconds to set, go to start the vehicle. Just to confirm, we won't put our code in and we'll select a gear. If we've taken it out of service mode, the vehicle's going to switch off as the immobiliser is supposed to, and your vehicle's going to be secure until you enter your code. So there we go, we popped it in gear, the vehicle's died. It's going to need our code to drive. So start it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for the tone. Now we can put it into gear, vehicle remains running. We know our vehicle's secure again. Hope this helps some of our customers. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.